In this video, I'm going to show you how to format your cells as dates here in the Google Sheets mobile app. So if you're working on some data using your phone and you want to quickly format some cells into dates, here's how you're going to do it. So I have this example data, and on my first column, I have the dates. If I tap on this cell right here, which is still on my date column, and I wanted to quickly select a date, I won't be able to do so because this cell right here is not yet formatted as a date. But if I tap on this one right here, so we obviously see a date. If I tap on the formula bar, you will see this icon right here next to the ABC icon, which is a calendar. If I tap on it, I can quickly select a date from the calendar. So right now I'm on January 8th. If I tap on January 6th, I can quickly select that, tap on OK. And there it is. I've quickly changed the date for that cell. Now, if I tap on this blank cell and tap on the formula bar, I do not see that calendar icon. Now, to quickly format the rest of those cells, those blank cells, into dates, what I'm going to do is to tap on this cell that's already formatted as a date, then drag it down. There you go, until the area where I need it to be formatted as a date. Then I'm just going to tap and autofill. So I'm going to tap on this one and tap on autofill. There you have it. So I've quickly filled those empty cells with the following dates, but what I'm going to do now is to actually select the cells that I've filled with those dates and clear them out. There you go. But this time, if I tap on it again and go to the formula bar, now I'll be able to see that calendar icon. So with that quick trick of auto-filling out those empty cells with those dates, we have quickly formatted those blank cells into dates as well. So I can just quickly tap on this calendar icon right now. So we have the date as well. And if I select a different one, quickly fill this one from a date from last year. So if I select December 26th, tap on OK, and there you go. I was able to quickly select the date from the calendar since this cell is already formatted as a date. Let's try the next one. Tap on it, go to the formula bar, tap on the calendar icon and select your date, tap on OK, and there we have it. So that's a quick trick that you can use in order to format your cells as dates here in the Google Sheets mobile app. And if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.